If you're seeing a Monday.com upload failed error or an unknown error message that says please try again, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through a few quick fixes that usually solve the problem in just a few minutes. We'll start with the simplest solution and work our way through the rest step by step, so you can get back to uploading without wasting time. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software fixes like this. First, try refreshing the page. Sometimes the error is temporary, and a quick refresh is enough to reload Monday.com correctly and clear the issue. If that does not work, sign out of your account completely and then sign back in. This can reset your session and fix login-related upload problems that cause the unknown error to appear. Next, clear your browser cache and cookies. On most browsers, you can do this by pressing Ctrl, Shift, and Delete on your keyboard. Then choose Cache and Cookies, make sure they are selected, and click Clear. Old browser data can often conflict with Monday.com and trigger upload errors, so this step is very important. After that, check your browser extensions. Open your browser menu, go to Extensions, then Manage Extensions, and turn off anything that could interfere with Monday.com, especially ad blockers or privacy tools. Some extensions can block page scripts or uploads, which may cause the upload failed error to keep coming back. If you use a VPN or proxy, turn it off and refresh the page again. VPNs and proxies can sometimes interfere with Monday.com connections and make the site think something is wrong with your session or network. If the error still shows up, switch to a different network. For example, if you are on Wi-Fi, try mobile hotspot, or if you are on one network at work, try another connection if possible. Network issues can cause upload failures even when everything else looks fine. After trying each step, go back to Monday.com and test the upload again. In many cases, one of these fixes will solve the issue right away. If not, you can repeat the steps once more in order, because sometimes the error is caused by more than one small browser or connection problem at the same time. Hopefully this helped you fix the Monday.com upload failed error and get rid of the unknown error please try again message. If it did, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you want more Monday.com troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.